Let's start. The project name is the context menu. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. And in the menu folder, we have a context_menu.xml file, which has the menu items for the context menu. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a button, Show Context Menu. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the button. In the context_menu.xml file, this is the menu. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, first we register the button for the context menu. When the button is clicked, we call the openContextMenu function and pass the button view in it. In the onCreateContextMenu function, we inflate the context_menu.xml file. In the onContextItem selected function, we check which menu item is clicked by the user, and then we show a toast accordingly. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a context menu in Java Android. Thanks for watching.